So we're standing outside 824 Syracuse Drive, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, 1,913 square feet, highly desirable area in Vacaville. So let's go inside, take a look. You've got the 2-car garage, nice landscaping. There is an HOA on here of $500 a month, and that includes front yard maintenance, basketball court, and swimming pool. The house has just been recently redone, so you've got new paint, new flooring, and the nice thing that I know that will appeal to you is the spaciousness of the 1,913 square feet and the 4 bedrooms. So you got a hallway bathroom over here. You got an indoor laundry room. Inside your 2-car garage. And this will go VA, there's no issues here. Hot water heater is not braced and strapped. That's something we'd have to take care of per California law. So you've got a family room here, and then you have an additional gathering area here. You've got a gas fireplace. You've got an eat-in kitchen area over here. Cabinets are all great shape. You've got a gas stove. You've got double sink. Brand new dishwasher, still with the new film on it. So let's go outside and take a look out here. Show you what the backyard would look like. So like I said, it does have, that's the air conditioning unit. It does have a smaller backyard, but the amenities that it comes with in regards to the HOA with the basketball court, swimming pool, your close vicinity of schools, shopping, and you're literally less than 10 minutes away from the base. We'd still want to do our inspections, our whole house inspection, our pest inspection, our roof inspection. We want to take a look at the fireplace, make sure there's no issues over there. So all those inspections together would cost you about $1,000. We want to make sure of what we're getting into. If you decide this is something you want to pursue, this would be a 35-day escrow if you like, and it would be waiting for you when you arrive. So upstairs landing, we'll start off to the left. You have a hallway bathroom here, and it has shower over tub, dual sinks. Bedroom number 1. Going into bedroom number 2. Then you have a little inlet in here, which you can put a desk for homework. And then you have bedroom number 3. Good sized rooms, no issues there. And this door over here has the furnace in it, which is the Lennox. It's an upscale unit. That's something that your whole house inspection would reveal if there's any issues. And going into the master bedroom, carpet's in great shape, no issues. And we'll take a look at the bathroom. Ooh, nice size walk-in closet there. We say that's her closet. Not sure where yours is, just teasing. You got the dual sinks. You've got the nice sunken bathtub for a hard day after work. And you have a shower, which is nice. And there is your water closet. So we'll kind of walk back through and give you another idea What it looks like I said, we could put together a 35-day escrow. It would close somewhere around the second week of April, and it would be waiting for you. And I have done this where I sign for your goods, they're delivered, put inside the garage, your car's put in the garage, and it's all waiting for you when you get here, if that's something you would like to do. This house came available and I wanted to send it to you. But like I said, we'll want to do our inspections, whatever house you decide to buy. Whole house inspection is about $360. Pest inspection, that's wood rot, dry rot, powder beetles, and termites. That runs about $140 now. Roof inspection, $130. Fireplace inspection, about $150. So you can figure spend about $1,000 on inspections, and these are absolutely essential. We do have some issues over here with some screens. You could choose to ask for those screens to be repaired. Let's say you had a dog in the backyard. But one thing that stands out for me is how spacious this home is. 1,913 square feet, that's a pretty good size. Price, well, at $568,000. Maybe if you liked it, make an offer at $565,000. It does have the $500 a month per HOA, which does come with amenities, basketball court, swimming pool, front yard maintenance. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up and copy the link and send it over to you. And then tomorrow I'll email you the actual listing, and let me know if you have any questions.